Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you a king bed size frame. Here we go. This is the box and I'm going to go ahead and open it and see what we have inside. I will put all the materials over here and we're going to start. These are what I have in the box and I'm going to go ahead and start assembling it. Here we have the LED lights and the remote controller, and these are all the screw pads. I'm going to go ahead and start step number 1. Step 7 is completed. Here we go, we install the LED lights. Step 11 is completed so far. Here is the last step. We're just gonna go ahead and put them on all 4 corners. Let's see from here. There. Now I'm gonna put the mattress. Let's check the LED lights one by one. I'm just showing you all the modes: red, green, blue. Let's see. And you can adjust the timer: 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, white, color. And this is for the music. Whenever you're talking, it's gonna flash according to your music. It has music 1 and music 2 option. We can choose music 1. Let's go ahead and play music 1. Let's see from here. How about music 2? No, this is music 2. Whenever you're talking also, it's changing the colors. If you have some other things, you can just put it over there. I can definitely suggest this bed frame. It is very sturdy and I like the design. And you have a spot to put all of your belongings. And also check this out. It's like sun. You can also control this LED light from here, or you can use the application. And there is style, static green, yellow, red gradual change, green gradual change. There is so many styles. And there is also music. If you play music, you see it's changing. And there is also microphone. Hey, hello. You can use the microphone too. And there is schedule. Whichever you like, you can schedule it. And you can change the brightness too.